Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics so you know what's failing. Plug the Seagate backup plus into a known good USB 3.0 port. Make sure the cable supports data, not just charging. Open Device Manager or Disk Management to see if the drive appears and note the model and firmware. Once done, take a quick physical look for damage and listen for unusual clicks. Those are important diagnostic clues. Make sure to avoid repeated power cycles if you hear mechanical noise. You'll next perform targeted diagnostics and non-invasive repairs to recover access. If Windows sees the volume, run chkdsk/f on the drive letter to repair file system errors and save the output. If the drive doesn't mount, use cTool's short smart test. Follow with a long test if smart shows issues. If tests pass, reassign a drive letter or initialize the disk in Disk Management. Choose GPT for drives over 2 TB. Make sure to record test results and errors. You finish by recovering data and applying final fixes while minimizing risk. If data matters, clone the drive with DDresQ or a sector copy tool first. That preserves what's left before you try destructive repairs. If cloning succeeds, you can reformat the target to XFAT or NTFS depending on needs. If tests indicate hardware failure, consider a PCB swap only with an exact model and firmware match, or consult a professional. If anything goes wrong, stop and rely on the clone. Don't overwrite original sectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.